We have new toys for Bam Bam. Actually, we ordered 2 Oru kayaks. They are foldable kayaks and supposed to be very light and compact. So today we're gonna do the unboxing just to show you what it looks like and if it's gonna fit into our RV. We got the paddle. This doesn't come with the kayak. We have to order it separately. Let's see. This is the footrest. It doesn't come with the kayak either, so we have to order it separately also. Let's see. Oh, they give us a phone dry bag. This is free. Oh, here we go. Ta-da! Oh, it's pretty light. Good exercise. It's actually 18 pounds, so pretty light. Now we're gonna try to see if both of them will fit inside our RV. Let's go and try it out first, honey. Let's see. This is how we probably gonna carry them inside our van because I don't think both of them will fit right here. I don't want to damage these ottomans, so we're gonna put one here and one here. We can still get to the restroom if we need to. So this is during driving, so when we get to the campsite, we probably will move it to the cab. Let's see if it's gonna fit in the cab area, honey. So we get one to fit right here in front of the passenger seat, and we're gonna put the other one right here in the middle of the 2 seats. There you go. So I guess when we sleep, we can still put them here inside the van. Fits good? Okay, let's assemble one. Wow, they're so light. I can carry both of them. But no, honey, you have to carry your own. Hi, Pebbles. Ow, oh, sorry, it's this way. And, oh yeah. Okay, let's see. I think you're supposed to pop this out. There you go. And then pop this. Wait. How do I do this? Oh, pop this out. Yes. Oh, this way. There you go. Okay. And this is the seat. It comes like this. Just have to open it. And down. Okay. Okay, this is the footrest. And I read the instruction, it says to, hang on, how do I get this? Put the loop right here, the hook to the loop on this side, and then snap it in. Yeah. And need to put the strap in. I guess this to support the seat back here. All right, let's strap in the back. I think because it's brand new, so it's a little hard to put it together, but I'm sure after a few times it'll be easier. And there's another strap right here. There. Honey, I need you to strap it tighter. Okay, the back of the seat is it's gonna be a little bit adjustable with this strap right here. Here you go. So we could adjust how forward we want the seat to be. And the footrest is also adjustable. We already put that part in. So the strap comes like this. There's a hole on the side here. Push it in. And let's just snap this in to the footrest. And so this footrest is adjustable to the length of your legs. All right, I actually ordered an extra seat cushion for myself. My husband said he doesn't need it, but let's see.
I don't need it.
Okay, here's the seat that comes with it. It looks pretty comfortable, but this is much better. It's gel inside, and it has the cover, removable cover that it could be washed too. So, and it fits right over the existing one. Like that. Wow, that looks very comfy. You sure you don't want one, honey?
I'm sure.
Let's open up the paddle. Let's see. I don't know what length I should be. So both are assembled. It is 9 feet long, and I think it's 32 inches wide, and it could carry 250 pounds total. I have plenty of space to carry me and the dog. So 18 pounds. So I could carry one. Let's see if I could carry the other one. Both assembled. But I don't know, honey. I don't think I can walk like this for a long time.
I think you can.
No.
I'll carry the pedal.
You carry the pedal. Let's try in the pool first. Oh, I splash water in. Okay. Uh-oh, can you pass me the paddle?
No.
I'm stranded. Hey. Oh. Okay. All right. Let's see. How do I do this? Ah. Hey, I'm going. Oh. No! Ah! Oh, gee. I think I'm going too fast. Oh. Wait. We need a bigger pool, honey. I'm paddling. I'm kayaking. To the waterfall. Oh, no. Hey, it's pretty cool.
you can get off on it.
Okay. So far, I love this kayak. It's good. It's so light. That's the reason why we bought it, and it's compact, so we could fit both of them in our van. And since we have never kayaked before, the only time we did the kayaking was a few months ago, and we really love it. Decided to pre-order this one on Oru Kayak website, and it was a pre-order one. Oh yeah, from Kickstart, and we got a really good discount from that Kickstart program. And here we are with this. I can't wait to bring it to an actual lake. It is actually just for calm water usage, and that's what we plan to use because we're not going to go out to the ocean. So I think this will fit us perfectly. And they have other different models, and even for a tandem kayak for 2 people. But we looked at it, it's pretty long and very big to fit into our van, so we decided to just buy 2 small ones. This is the smallest size and the lightest one. So far so good. Do you like it, honey?
I like it.
You like it too? Yeah. You know, I can't wait to take this like in the San Diego harbor and put the lights in here so it kind of light up in the dark. That would be so cool. Pebbles? Plenty of room for the dogs. I guess we have to get them life vests too. Huh, Pebbles? They made it. Let's see how fast I can disassemble this. Unbuckle. Unbuckle. You just have to unbuckle everything. Unbuckle this seat. Unbuckle this part. Unbuckle this part. The only thing that we have to take out is the seat here. And it folds up like this with the Velcro. And I think it goes over here. There's a Velcro strap, just Velcro that in. The second step is to fold the back side of the kayak in first. There's a line here and a palm, so I assume you just press it in like this. Oh, okay. And then go here, the palm right here, this way. Okay, and then fold it up. Let's put it up. Now we just have to strap it together. Close it up. Where is it? Okay. Ta-da! Pretty easy. Bye, honey.